ladies, this is Dr. Kafali. I'm here to answer your question, and today's question is what you can do to increase the effect of PRP shot. I usually give my ladies a homework that is starting next day from the injections, and it's 2 weeks worth of either masturbation or intimacy with your partner. This homework's purpose is increasing the blood flow to the area so it can match with the blood flow and the PRP injections, so it can increase the sensation, it can make your climax much stronger. So it's going to be total 2 weeks. After that, whatever your intimacy frequency, you can go back to that routine. But for the first 2 weeks after the injection, I request my ladies to have either masturbation or sex daily, once a day. So I hope this is answering your question. And if you have any question or comments, please write it down below. And I will be answering your questions with the next episode. Thank you.